Welcome back to the channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, we're going to go through this apartment that was completely remodeled recently, and no cost was spared on here. This was completely gutted, and I'll go in a little bit into detail what that means. So the first thing that you notice when you open the door is the open concept. All the walls were knocked down from the kitchens, etc., and even that balcony, it's almost like part of the apartment. That was the living room. Oh, and by the way, this is a smart apartment. Everything is controlled by a tablet or your phone. This is the first bathroom here. It's a full bath. It's got the sensors, for the lights. It's got the accent lighting behind the mirrors. It's even got lights under the sink, the micro cement treatment on the sink. The shower looks beautiful. The floors in this apartment were completely done as well. Everything was basically ripped out and redone, including electricity, plumbing. So you never have heating problems with your water. You never have electrical problems either. You've got the air conditioning already installed. This is turnkey. This is definitely for someone that wants to live in it. This is the first bedroom. It's got a queen size bed in there. It's got the TV up and mounted there. And the wiring controller, the wiring for everything is done very nicely. Don't see anything. Everything is very clean here. Very turnkey. This is like a den slash office. I liked how they used the space here to make the most of it. This is the master bedroom here. It's got a king size bed. Love the contemporary style of design on the wall there. It's got a view as well over here. They put a couch right there, which I thought was pretty neat, but you could really put anything there. It's got enough space to even put maybe even a desk in there if you wanted to. This is the master bath, which it has two sinks, which is great. It's got the two mirrors. I love the two mirror concept there. Again, the lighting, these little details, the lighting under the sink where the towels are, the walk-in closet with that mirror looks amazing. The lighting, everything was thought out here. You could definitely see that the owner did a really good job of hiring the designer and the design team and the contractor. So we're gonna move over here past the little dining table here into the kitchen. The kitchen has this American bar that's basically on the deck or the balcony, which is awesome. This is the oven right here, which I thought was really cool. I mean, the design looks amazing. You can tell that it was really well thought out. This is the stove top here. Again, top of the line stove top. The counter area here, the sink, and more cooking space and or dining space because you do have those bar stools there. This is that's the refrigerator. Okay, so let's talk about the numbers as we look at this little area here, which is like the coffee area. By the way, this comes fully furnished. It's 116 square meters. The asking price on this one is 1.4 billion Colombian pesos. Well, 1.4.5 billion Colombian pesos, which comes out to be in dollars, 327,000. And it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. I love this area, by the way. This is like the bar area. And he also put the washing machine and dryer out here as well, so that not only do you not get the noise, but you also save space because that space really wasn't doing anything before. And this is your view in Santa Maria de los Angeles, completely flat area near the Golden Mile. Your walking distance to Santa Fe Mall, to a bunch of restaurants and cafes. So if you want to make an offer on this one, if you want to look at it, or you're looking for something else, just click on the link in the description. Somebody on our team will get back to you as soon as possible and we'll get to work.